Hey guys, we're back with another Minecraft Let's Play, and I actually, off camera, I actually went mining, but yeah, so I got a lot of iron, 27 iron, and like 29 coal, but I used some coal on torches. I'm gonna put some of this stuff back. Right there. I'll take the leather, actually, and some sticks. Go here. We're making a chest plate. A leather chest plate. Yeah. Now, go here, get some of that. Oh god, we'll make iron legs and boots. That's a helmet. I forget how to make boots. Oh, alright. Put those on. Yeah! We're awesome. We're gonna make another iron pickaxe. We're gonna actually make 2 iron pickaxes. Done. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Boom. Oh. Kill this dude. Okay. If you want to add me on Skype, I'll show you here. I don't know if you can see this, but it's Jin. It's Jin. I'll have a Jin logo there. But if you couldn't see that, we'll put annotation on the screen saying what Skype is, so we can talk during the Let's Plays. So, yeah. I am recording all the Let's Plays at the same time, but releasing them at different times. So, I'm recording them all pretty much technically at the same time, one after another, but I'm releasing them at separate times, if that makes sense. And, I don't care, we'll make that. Take that off. Put that on. Take the bed. Okay. Get everything that's in there. Let's go to sleep. I made sure that I had cheats off. That's why it says here, you do not have permission. See, look. This is how you switch to creative. You do not have permission to use this command. It's making sure that is off. Some of you probably won't believe it, but that's what happened. Let's go over here and see what the forest fire finish was. because the lava over there started a forest fire. There. Oh. Wow. There's a lot of chicken. Sweet. Nope, didn't collect the chicken. There's an egg here. Chicken. There we go. We got the chicken. Guys, I am going to... Whoa. I'm gonna build the house. But I'm gonna skip the building of the house. So... it will be right here. I'll see you guys when the house is finished. Okay guys, the house is finished. Yeah. Next episode there might be a couple mods on here because I'm installing some mods to make this a lot more fun. So, what the... where did... you sneaky... Damn. Alright, so... sorry for the cracky voice. Well, it's a pretty bad house, but we don't really have that many materials, so we can't really make a good house. So, I'm sorry. The skeleton over there. Oh, oops. Run. Let's see if I have any else. Nope. No aerial. Aerials? Wow. But, I think I like this house better, but I just can't do it. Cool, got $3. I'm probably gonna install the not enough items mod for this. And I'm installing a different texture pack that you guys might like, so yeah. Let's take this out. I don't like these. They're mean. But, yeah, I gotta end the episode here. See you guys.